Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, today we are going to start chapter number 6 of Maths 1 of Standard 10. The name of the chapter is Statistics. Dear friends, in previous standard, in 9th standard, we have studied the measures of central tendency. There are three measures of central tendencies: mean, median and mode. This year also, in this chapter also, we have to study again all these three tendencies but in detail. Let's start the first central tendency, measure of central tendency, that is mean. Mean from classified frequency distribution. Now let us study this point, let us study mean by direct method. Now the method by which we can find the mean, that method is direct method. Let's see example number first. The following table shows the frequency distribution of the time required for each worker to complete a work. This is the time in hours and number of workers are given. From the table find the mean time required to complete the job for a worker. We have to find the mean time here. Mean time we have to find by direct method. Now here time is here 15 to 19 hours. Number of workers 10. 20 to 24 hours. That is the time required for 15 workers. 25 to 29 hours for 12 workers. 30 to 34 hours for 8 workers. And 35 to 39 hours for 5 workers. With the help of this table, we have to find mean time by direct method. Now here, time is given and this is the class. In last year we have studied. This is the class 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39. These are our classes. In that, 15 is the lower limit of this class and 19 is upper limit of this class. Lower limit, upper limit. Here lower limit is 20, upper limit is 24. Here lower limit is first number we call it lower limit and second we call it upper limit. Therefore each class has two limits, lower limit and upper limit. Number of workers, this is the frequency. We call it frequency. This is class, this is frequency. This table is given by horizontal way. We have to write this table vertically. Now let's see the method. Now let's start solution. In solution, first this row of column write as this. We call it time, hours. This is class. First, as it is. Okay, right, as it is. 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39. As it is, no change. This is first, this one. This is class. But in time. After class, second column we have to add by ourselves. Here two columns are given, time and number of workers. We have to add here after this, after class mark and we call it xi. Class mark means in the solution first column is of class, this is classes, second class mark, okay, third this number of workers means we call it frequency, number of workers, we say it fi, okay, fi. And fourth product of these two, fi multiplied by xi or xi multiplied by fi, anyway. Now first, as it is, number of workers I write here 10, 15, 12, 8, 5. Okay, first and third. Second class mark we have added by ourselves, that is xi, and fourth is product of second third, fi into xi or xi into fi, by any way you can write. Now how to find class mark? Last year we studied class mark, how to find class mark. Here addition of these two, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. How to find class mark? Find class mark of this 15 plus 19 divided by 2. Addition here 20, 34 divided by 2. 34 divided by 2, 17. Means first class mark is here 17. Okay. Now here second class mark, again same way, 20 plus 24 divided by 2. If you want to find, you can find like this, 20 plus 24 upon 2, 44 upon 2, 22. Okay, see here 22. Then, but for each class, no need to do like this. Here you see, first class mark is 17. Okay, and here upper limit is 19, lower limit is 20. Okay, upper limit 19, lower limit 20. Find out difference of this. Difference means subtraction. 19 minus 15. How much? 19 minus 15, 4. Correct? 4. 4 plus 1 we have to add. 1 plus 1. 4 plus 1. Why? Because upper limit and lower limits are different. That's why we have to add 1 in the difference. If upper limit and lower limit of these consecutive two classes are same, then whatever difference that we have to take. Okay, now here what is difference? Actual difference 4. 19 minus 15, 4. But here upper limit, lower limits are different. That's why plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 add to this number you will get next. See, 17 plus 5, 22. 22 plus 5, 27. 27 plus 5, 32. 32 plus 5, 37. In this way you will get class mark. No need to add for each class and divide by 2. Okay. Now this from example we wrote. Now product. This into this. We have to write here. Now let's see. 17 into 10, 170. Product. Now here add it. 15 2s are 30. 3 carried over. 15 2s are 30. 33. Again here 27 multiplied by 12, 12 sevens are 84, 84, 4 carried, 4 here, 8 carried over, 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 8, 32. Okay. Here 32 8s are 8 2s are 16, 1 carried over, 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25. Here 5 7s are 35, 3 carried over, 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18. In this way we got fi xi. After that what we have to do? Sum of this, sum of all, sum of fi xi, summation sign is like this. This is summation or addition. Summation of fi xi. We have to add here all these numbers, and here xi, here fi. We have to add them also, and it is called summation of fi. Because here fi frequency, summation means addition of fi, and here summation of this product. Let's add them. 5 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 10, 20. 2 carried over. 2, 3, 4, 5, 50. Summation of fi is 50. Addition of this also. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 1 carried over. 10, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 26. 2 carried over. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1265. This is summation of fi xi. After getting summation of fi xi and summation of fi, we have to find mean. Now formula, mean symbol is x bar, on the top u dash, x bar is equal to summation of fi xi upon summation of fi is equal to, now write down 1265 upon here 50. Okay, now we have to divide it by 50. Now let's divide the value here. 1265 divided by 50. Here 125. 50 2s are 100. 26. 50 4s are 5s are 250. 5 1 0 0 is taken decimal point. 3s are 25.3. 25.3. This is mean time. Therefore answer, mean time required is 25.3 hours. In this way we can find the mean by direct method. Dear friends, let's start practice set 6.1. First example is, the following table shows the number of students here and the time they utilize daily for their studies. Find the mean time spent by students for their studies by direct method. Now here again 2 columns are there, but these are given by horizontal way. We have to write them vertically. First this of class, second class mark, third this frequency, and fourth fi xi. We have to draw this table by vertical way. Write down this table first as it is. Here time, hours, second class mark we call it xi, third this from table number of students, this is fi, and fourth product of these two, fi multiplied by xi. Okay, in this way 4 columns we have to draw for direct method. Now time this as it is, 0 to 2, 2 to 4, now here 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10. Okay, class mark we will write here. Now students 7, 18, 12, here I erase this, 12, 10, 3. 12, 10, 3. Okay, now both are as it is from the table only, from the example. This we added here, class mark, and here fi product. Class mark now, see here, 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6. Upper limit of this and lower limit of this are same. Class mark, 0 plus 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Class mark of this is 1. What is difference? Difference is of 2. Okay, and upper lower limits are same, that's why no need to add 1 in that. If they are different, then we have to add 1. Here no need to add. What is actual difference? 2. Then add 2 here. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. In this way we get here class mark. After that, product now. This table, this column is from example. Product, 7 ones are 7, 18 threes are 54, 12 fives are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 9 threes are 27. Now addition here and addition here, sum of fi xi and here sum of fi. Both addition here, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 1 carried over, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 5, 21. Okay, now here sum, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 2 carried over, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50. And now mean, therefore mean x bar is equal to sum of fi xi upon sum of fi is equal to 216 divided by 50. Now let's divide it. 218 divided by 50. 50 fours are 200. 18 0 point. 15 threes are 150. 330 300. 15 six are 330 here. 4.36. 4.36. This is the mean time utilized. Therefore, the mean time utilized is 4.36 hours. We have got this mean by direct method. Example number 2 is a milk center sold milk to 50 customers. The table below gives the number of customers and the milk they purchased. Find the mean of the milk sold by direct method. Now here table is given, milk sold in liter, this is class, first column, number of customers, this is fi, third column, second column we have to add of class mark, and fourth product. Write this table again in the solution. First column, this one, milk sold. Actually this is class in liters, as it is. Second from this class mark xi. Third this from example, number of customers. We call it fi, frequency. And fourth product of this fi xi. In this way, in direct method, we have to draw 4 columns. Milk sold first as it is, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, as it is, no change. Third column as it is, 17, 13, 10, 7, 3. Class mark from this. Now here upper limit, lower limit, both limits are same. That's why no need to add 1. Whatever actual difference that you add in the first class mark. First class mark. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 divided by 2, 1.5. 3 divided by 2, 1.5. What is difference? 2 minus 1, 1. Then add 1 here. 2.5, add 1 here, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5. These are class mark. This is from example. Now product here, product of this, and point also, decimal point. Here sum of fi addition, and here sum of fi xi, that afterwards we will do, is equal to. Now let's do product. Let's multiply here. 15 into 1.7, 1.5 into 17. 15 7s are 105. 105, 10 carried over. 15 ones are 15 plus 10. 15 plus 10, 25. 25. But decimal point is here 1, here point. 25.5. Here 25 3s are 75. 25 ones are 25 plus 7, 32. Decimal point here 32.5. We have to multiply 35 into 10, 35.0. Actually no need to give. 45 into 7, 7 5s are 35, 3 carried over, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 3, 31. Point is here point, 31.5. Here now 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16, 16.5. In this way we got product. Now sum here, summation of fi xi. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 10 20. Here 5 10 15 20, 20, then 0 here 2.2 carried over. 8 9 10 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 5 21, 1 2 carried over. 3 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, 141.0 means 141. Now here summation 10 10 20, 2 carried over, 3 4 5 50. Now mean, let's find mean. Mean x bar is equal to sum of fi xi upon sum of fi. Sum of fi xi is 141 upon 50. 141 divided by 50. Let's divide. 141 divided by 50. 2s are 50, 2s are 100. 41 0 decimal point. 4s are 8s are 8 5s are 40. 10. 1 more 0. 2s are 2.82. 2.82 liter, that is. Therefore mean of milk sold is 2.82 liters.